Oh yeah, that's wrong.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer and today we are going to redo my whole beauty space and put it in a closet of all things. If that sounds like something that you'd like to watch, let's get started, and also don't forget to subscribe and like my video and become a little part of our family. So let's get started.
Learn how to turn a closet into a vanity room.
Yeah, we're turning a closet into a vanity, which is crazy. So let's get started. Bodie.
What are you doing? Guys, so we made this. Is this the one we made?
Yeah.
So it's like, I can't really show you because all these makeup brushes are in here, but it's like just like glass little plates, and Jen, being the craft connoisseur she is, I'm probably so close, she hot glued everything. Like, look at that. And it's all just like a little makeup holder thing that she made herself. Would you probably find these at the dollar store, right?
Yeah, I think I did. They're like
Dollar store, these, dollar store, hot glue, and I think you had a hot glue gun.
Yeah, I already had one.
So for what, $6, you made yourself a little brush holder.
And it matches my other ones too. Here's my freaking sunglasses. My prescription sunglasses that I could have been wearing.
They're probably a wrong prescription. Like 2 prescriptions ago.
Oh yeah, that's wrong. That's wrong. It's not good.
They're also not big enough to block the haters.
Yeah, people can still see what I'm.
Rolling your eyes.
Yeah, it's not it. Maybe if we can figure out what to do with these or something, then we can put the other makeup mirrors up there or something.
Yeah.
Cylinder will be going back up after we paint. We gotta switch it to August though.
Can I put it on your
No. No, face the camera, doofus. Wow, that looks so much better already. Holy crap, it literally adds so much like brightness.
Yeah.
Like if you step back and look how much brighter it is. Okay guys, so I found these little organizers at Walmart that I'm thinking that we want to hang to the wall, or little like shelves for makeup, skincare, and so we have 4 of them that we're gonna hang up. Tyus needs to drill a little hole in them, so we're gonna see if the plastic is thick enough. Hopefully he is, and we also have the stud finder to find it, so that's what we're currently doing right now.
Found a stud. So we're gonna try to see if we can drill into this without cracking the plastic too bad. We might have to heat the drill bit. We'll see what happens.
Okay. Good job, baby. That went in perfect, huh?
Great.
Wow. That's perfect. Okay, I'm gonna help Tyus now, guys. Oh my gosh, you guys, look how good it looks so far. So I was testing the strength of the shelves, and so I put, this is gonna be my heaviest one. I'm pretty sure the foundation bottles, these are all glass. And like, look how cute that turned out. These are literally just like $4 freaking containers from Walmart, and we drilled little holes in them, and then we just drilled them into the wall. This one was being a little finicky and like not being very strong for us, but honestly, it's not gonna matter when I put items in there. You're not even gonna see the screws at all, but look how it is turning out so far. It is so cute. And then we are gonna wipe off the desk real quick and put it back, and I'll show you guys an update. Okay guys, so I am cleaning off my table. So this is actually a pub table that I got from Big Lots for like 160 bucks, and you assemble it yourself. When I was looking for a vanity when we lived in our apartment still, I was looking at all different types of desks and stuff like that, and they were the triple the price of what a pub table was. And so I was like, well, heck, why don't I just get a regular table and put a mirror on it? So that's what I did. And it ended up being like way more cost effective. There's way more different finishes. It came with 2 different stools. It's kind of messy right now, but like it's literally like a huge desk, a nice desk, and it was only $160. So if you guys are looking for a makeup vanity, just buy a table or just buy a desk, and you don't even have to get a regular one. You can go on Facebook Marketplace and see if somebody's selling it. But that's what I did, and it was way cheaper for me. So I am wiping this down because I had pug hair all over it and it was dusty. Dusty. Like very dusty. Like look how, oh, I guess it's not even that. It doesn't look that bad, but it was pretty gross. But we're gonna put it back in the closet. Another reason, guys, that so this is our workout room. I don't know if I've shown it on the vlog or anything like that, but this is basically my room. Our house has 3 rooms. One is our bedroom, one is my room, and one is Tyus's room. And in his room, he has like Raider stuff and video games. But my room, I wanted it to be the workout room and also a place where I could like do my makeup and film if I wanted to. So that's why we have it in the closet. So when I'm done with it, we can shut the doors and it's tucked away. And if it's messy, I'm gonna try to keep it better organized, but if it's messy, I can just shut the doors and like nobody sees it. So that's why we ended up doing that. And this table fits in the closet perfectly. Okay guys, this is what we are currently working with. I kind of divided all my makeup and skincare and stuff into piles so that when we put the other shelves up, I can organize them. So that's, I got brushes right there, powder, highlighter, blush, lipsticks, skincare, sunscreen, and then I got my beauty blenders, and then just my other stuff that I need to put on the desk. So we have these shelves up right now. I kind of just was messing with them to see what would fit up there, but I might switch those as I put the other shelves up. But we put the desk back in, and then so I think we're gonna do 2 shelves right there and 1 shelf right there. Let me zoom out a bit. But this is what it's looking like so far. I gotta put my makeup mirror back, and there will be some stuff on the desk. Like this has my like used makeup brushes, the dirty ones, and then my eye brushes, and then I still have to organize all this. So it's kind of still chaotic, but I think it'll come together nicely. Okay guys, we got all the shelves up, so now we need to organize them and put everything away. Okay guys, so I have this Coty Airspun loose face powder. While it is an affordable powder, this scent on this is like almost just too overbearing, and it kind of makes my skin look a little cakey. So if I want another loose powder, I'm just gonna go repurchase the Wet n Wild one. I think it might be like $1 cheaper than this too, but this scent on this is just like, it's just not good. So I'm gonna get rid of that. And then I am pretty much out of this Stay Matte powder, and it's pretty like gross, so I'm gonna throw that away. And then this Neutrogena Hydra Boost Hydrating Lip Shine, I'm gonna get rid of this because I never use it and it's old. I'm also going to get rid of this Revlon blush. It's in the color 001. While it is a really pretty color, it's just super powdery when I put it on, and there's just a ton of kickback, which is kind of weird with blush, but maybe that's why it was on clearance. But I do not like this, so I'm gonna get rid of this too. Okay guys, so here is how it turned out. Let me back up a little bit so you can see everything. So when you walk in, we put the desk back in, and we put 1 stool in the middle with my little vanity mirror that turns off and on. And then right over here, I have my used sponges, my used brushes, miscellaneous things in here, my eye brushes, my clean brushes. And then we only were able to find a certain amount of shelves, so we just hung up what we could find. But Here's all my skincare, my moisturizer, my sunscreen. Right here is primers. I always put on deodorant before I go to work, so I put that right there. So I have primers, setting spray. Over here, I have lashes right there, and then this is all lips and lip glosses, lipstick. Then right here is my palettes, and right here is my foundation. This might be my favorite one, just maybe because I love foundation, but I got my foundation in there. And right here, my cream bronzers on the left, and then that's cream too, and these are powder. Oh, and then I have another palette in the back that you can't see.
We're gonna try to add another shelf.
Yeah, we're gonna try to add another shelf right here. I just put my Doug the Pug calendar back right here, but we'll probably find a better place for it. Highlighters, setting powders, eye glitters, and then blushes. Over on this side, oh, I have a lamp because, like, even though we did put a fresh coat of white paint in there, it did brighten this up a ton, but you do need more lighting when you're in here, just because it, you know, it is a closet, so it's dark. And then my little storage container of beauty blenders. And then right here is my mascaras. Right here is eyeliner. Right here is, this is brow products, and then this is concealers, and this spins, so it's really nice. Up here I made a display with my makeup bags, my mirrors, and then I did like little cute things over here, my jewelry organizer, my Chanel box, a wedding picture, and then some of my scented sprays that I have right there, and then my cream that I have right here. But I think it turned out really cute. And then how much did we spend on all of this? If it was $4 per container.
So it's $4 per container. We have
$28?
$28, yeah. $28 in storage bins. Spent $1 on some nails. This paint is actually, the white paint is paint we had left over from when we painted our house. It's actually the color of our ceilings, so it's a little brighter than just traditional white. We didn't take it all the way up, but if you can see kind of what it was before.
Oh yeah, we didn't want to do the whole closet. We were kind of just going for like to brighten up the beauty space, the closet, or the bottom of the space.
So for $28 and some leftover paint, and some screws and some time spent with you, we were able to make this space something you're happy with.
Yeah,
happy with.
I'm really happy with it.
It looks awesome.
Thank you, baby. Before we had clutter all over the floor, so like my makeup space in the closet got too cluttered and organized. So I started sitting on the ground by the mirror doing my makeup, but now this is like actually a spot that I'll want to go and sit and do my makeup and like have my me time. So I absolutely love it, and I think it turned out just so cute. And that's like, just use whatever paint you guys have left. If you guys have like a closet that's just cluttered, or like it's just a nice way to like organize all your beauty stuff, and then you can we shut these doors and it just looks like a regular bedroom closet in here. You would never even know that a whole beauty space is in here. So that's pretty cool. And I do like the acrylic. I like the clear rather than like a wood shelf, because I like the fact that you can see all of the products clearly, and you can
put more on there, I feel like, versus like if we did the wood shelving that we have in the living room. Yeah,
we can definitely fit like way more stuff in these. And we just found these at Walmart. So if I can find them online, I'll link them down below for you guys. We're just doing like little home improvement projects every now and then. And like, I'm just so in love with the way this turned out. We used a lot of the stuff that we had, but it's just crazy how a little bit of organization will take you so far. So thank you guys so much for watching. Tell me in the comments below if you liked how it turned out, what you think I should do next, any video ideas, and I appreciate all your support. And don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and I hope you guys have the best day. Bye!